So now you know about Newton's first and second laws of motion. And there's only one more law of motion that you need to know about, Newton's third law of motion. It says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. One of the best ways to see this law in action is with something called a Newton's cradle, named after, you guessed it, Isaac Newton. Watch what happens when you release one ball against the others in the Newton's cradle. The ball at the opposite end responds with an equal and opposite reaction, pushing back in the direction of the original force. Newton's third law explains what makes it possible for a rocket to blast off into outer space. When the thrusters ignite, the force from the burning fuel pushes down, and the rock is pushed with equal force in the opposite direction, up. Force is one of the great laws of nature that make it possible for us to explore outer space. Pretty neat, huh? Let's take a moment to review Newton's 3 laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion states the following: an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion at constant speed will remain in motion at constant speed until some outside force is applied to it. We saw this with the bowler and the bowling ball. Newton's second law is expressed as a mathematical equation: force equals mass times acceleration. We saw how the difference in mass between a billiard ball and bowling ball can really change the acceleration caused by the same force. And third, we learned that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's cradle helped us see that law at work.